The following message is transmitted by the Cranford, New Jersey Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Around 9:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there has been major 911 calls about a mysterious hacker or unidentified origin. They encounter this character who resembles Link from The Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask. They also get jump scared and instantly killed. This character has not been yet confirmed. This is an emergency action notification message. All broadcasting and cable station in this area should broadcast this alert. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Cranford, New Jersey Police Department. The Cranford Police is issuing a shelter-in-place emergency as of 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This warning was issued because of the dangerous computer hacker or foreign origin killing people using technology. Only people living in New Jersey or near it should shelter in place immediately. A shelter in place means close and lock all doors and windows, and keep pets and children away from all doors and windows. If you see this creature and make eye contact, turn off the electronic immediately or you may face certain death. Do not attempt to search for this creature as you would be putting your life in danger. For more information, tune to your local radio news outlet. This shelter-in-place warning remains in effect until further notice. The following message is at the request of the Cranford Police Department. According to the Cranford Police, over 17 hospitals in the area has been experiencing problems with their computer, mostly with their EKG systems. The EKG will auto-flatline for no reason and then have distortion static in the background. Currently there has been no deaths accordingly to the hospitals. The Cranford Police is at a loss to explain this phenomena. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted by the Cranford Police Department. Accordingly to the Cranford Police, there has been no more reports of the hacker that caused damage to Cranford. This is an emergency action termination message. All broadcasting may resume. The following message is transmitted by the Athens Police Department. This message is effective as of 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There has been major 911 calls about a mysterious dog sending people blackmail. There has been a similar incident in the following states: California, Alabama, Ohio, New Jersey. This affects the person's emotions by seeing the gruesome picture of a bloody dog covered in blood and smiling. Currently, the Athens police has a suspicion that this dog has mauled a civilian by a robbery. The Athens County Police Department and the Auburn Police Department are working together to investigate the matter. If it is necessary, you can shelter in place. If you see this dog, report it to the police immediately. This is a civil danger warning for the states of New Jersey, Ohio and Alabama. We are CNN5 and we are serving the Athens, Ohio area. If you are not in this area, tune to your local area now. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is at the request of the Athens, Ohio Emergency Management. This message is currently effective due to the increase in 911 calls. Due to the current situation with the killer dog named Smile Dog, Athens Police and Cranford Police and the Auburn Police is making an effort to locate the source of the interference with blackmailing people to do murderous labor. Please stand by for a message from an unknown sender.
This station is ceasing programming. Please tune to another broadcast network providing news, EAS alerts and more. This station will end transmission in 45 seconds. This programming is currently discontinuing. Due to malfunction, the station will now cease programming in 10 seconds. Now change to a new station providing news. Error code 4-0-4 transmitting failure ending transmit ion. We are WNBC and we are ceasing prog MNG. Ben is coming. Ben is coming, just wait. Ben is coming. Ben is coming, just wait and see. Ben is coming. Ben is coming, just wait and see.